All right, so here's the overview, the assignment of what do we use robots for. When you're ready, you launch into the assignment, and here it is. What's having to do is kind of look back, just kind of through time, as far as when the first robots were out and used, like back in the 40s, to what they're kind of used for like today. So read over the introduction, read carefully, and then you're going to do the following. It says each student is going to present to me or Ms. Murray information about a robot of your choice. So you can look on the internet, look for any kind of robot. There's a ton of options, from like the military robots, healthcare robots, like search and recovery robots, there's drones, space robots, underwater robots. And if you want to kind of even pursue the avenue of like some like TV robots or movie robots, that's an option too. So look for a robot of your choice. It then says you're going to create a 10-slide Google slideshow. Google Doc, Google Slide presentation. All right. So each slide is going to have one question on it. So slide 1 will answer question 1. Slide 2, question 2, so on and so forth. Okay. So read the question. One says, what task does a robot perform? It's kind of asking you, what's the robot do? Don't just say, let's say you're picking a vacuuming robot. So don't say vacuums floors, because that's just the bare minimum of evidence. So kind of dig into it a little bit. If I invited, say, Miss Johnson down to read over your slideshow, would she gain knowledge by your answer? Or would she kind of like question, like, well, can you do more? Can you give me a little bit more of evidence? So what I would suggest doing is going into your Google Drive and just doing a new Google slide. And we'll create it. And then on each of these slides, what you could do is you could, from your worksheet, just copy this whole question. And I could paste it to have that part written. There it is. And then I would add my answer to it. Okay, if you want to use this template, go for it. There's a ton to pick from different themes. All right. To make it a little more fun, exciting for you to build and us to grade, is I would add photos. So let's say you get the question number 4 and you just don't know how your robot is taught or performs a task. Maybe your robot you picked doesn't have enough evidence to support all these 10 questions. I would say scrap that robot, find a new one, and try it again. Okay, so 10-slide slideshow. Each slide is one question, but now be careful. Question number 10, it says leave the page blank for now, or the slide blank for now, I should say. Leave the slide blank for now. You're going to be asking one of your classmates to look over your presentation, look over all 9 of your slides. On the 10th slide, they're going to answer these 2 questions. So you could copy these 2 questions, paste them on your slide number 10. When ready, have them watch it and grade it. So again, read the introduction. You're going to build a 10-slide Google slideshow, 1 slide per question. Pick a robot that could answer all 10 questions. Again, if you can't find information on your robot, scrap it and try it again. All right? Hey, good luck.